Good morning, everyone. Today we have a treat for you guys. We are actually going to be going to the best cooking class in Puerto Vallarta.
Hey travelers, my name is Juliana and that's my husband Martín. We've been traveling around the world for 4 years and fitting it into our lives any way possible, whether that be volunteering in hostels, working on cruise ships, taking short weekend adventures, or living as expats working remotely. Our goal is to show you how to have unique and memorable trips no matter what your circumstances.
Chef Julio Cesar creates incredible plates at Restaurant Gabby's, which is actually one of my favorite restaurants in town. But a lot of people don't realize that he also offers cooking classes to tourists that are interested in learning more about Mexican culture. We're going to be going to a local market, picking fresh ingredients, and creating a couple of different dishes and taking you guys along with us. The class starts at 9 a.m., which is just in a couple of minutes, so let's head over there.
Vamos a hacer chiles rellenos con panela de la región, más específicamente panela del Tuito, unas albóndigas de pescado y vamos a comprar pescado del que se saca aquí, koala de poco, y vamos a hacer unos tamales, pero es una receta familiar.
This is the menu for today. I'm so excited because these dishes are not just local to Mexico, they're local to the region, which is super exciting. We're gonna head to the market and get all of our ingredients.
Se hace con ingredientes de aquí, que es la cocada, y esta es cocada pero con miel de agave, ¿no? We have tomato, chiles, beans, corn, and avocado. Claro. That's the 5 principal ingredients. Secondary, we have tomatillo, cilantro, onion, garlic, and lime. Con esos 10, with the 5 principal on the secondary, you can make a lot of the recipes we have in this nation. Entonces, es temporada de mangos, pero empieza la primera lluvia y lo recomendable es cortarlos ya y traerlos a ventrar. Our plan is to make a batter and then we need to grab the poblanos from here. The other thing is, choose poblanos hard texture brilliant. Why? Because it's very spicy. When you work for make a poblano pepper stuffed with something, we need to put them directly on the grill to charm for both sides, and then you need to put inside in a plastic bag to sweat. So hard texture. Okay.
Hola, buenos días. So right now we're at the Emiliana Zapata market, and actually one funny thing is that they keep their avocados behind the counter because they have some of the best quality avocados in the area, and when you come here you can actually tell them what day you're going to eat the avocado and they'll give you the perfect one for it. Just a fun little fact. Before we continue on with the rest of this video, I am so excited to share that I've written my first travel guide on a topic you're already interested in, Puerto Vallarta. This downloadable PDF covers even more information than I show on my channel, such as my favorite restaurants, bars, things to do when it's raining, and just overall tips for people who are interested in moving to Puerto Vallarta. This is available over on my Patreon as a part of your membership, and you'll also get access to our monthly income reports, exclusive podcasts, and our private Facebook group. I've also made this book available over on the Kindle store as well if that's how you prefer to purchase. I'll leave a link to everywhere my travel guide is available down in the description. Thank you so much in advance for your support, and I'm so excited to finally be able to share this with you guys. It's been about 2 hours. We did all of our shopping and I had so much fun at that market. The best part is that Martín and I don't live too far from that market, and at first when we went there, we were like, okay, you know, get tomatoes, get the onions, but we discovered so many cool things at the market, like fresh honey, fresh cheese, and honestly one of the best tortillas I've ever had. Now we're back here at the Gabby's restaurant. They have a private area just for cooking, and I actually did this tour a couple years ago. It was in a different location, but look at this view they have now. It is beautiful. There's lots of air up here, so it feels nice and fresh. And we're gonna get started with cooking our many dishes. Martín, how's your green sauce, your green salsa?
Amazing, the best.
It is so creamy, and the secret is just a little bit of milk.
Leche y limón.
Voy a probar.
Outstanding.
What are we making right now?
We're making a salsa over here in the old-fashioned Mexican way, but it's the best way to do it because it tastes better.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yay, Juliana!
Bravo.
Yeah. Okay, time to try our creation. Wow, qué rico. Very, very good.
It's a hard decision to
Yeah.
what's the best taco stand to choose from there. So good sign is handmade tortilla.
Okay.
So when you hear the clap, every Mexican say, "Oh, look, there is handmade tortillas. Let's go there."
Okay,
So-
gotcha.
That is a good way to advertise your taco truck, taco stand.
Like this?
Tortillera auténticas.
I can't clap that loud. Why can't I clap that loud? There we go.
That's a...
There you go.
Pásale
Pásale, pásale. Pásale, pásale.
tortillas a mano, joven. Tortillas a mano, joven.
Tortillas a mano.
Pásale güerito. Pásale güerito.
¿Hacer?
Pásale güerito.
Pásale.
Pásale
Güerito.
güerito.
Doesn't matter if it's not güero, ¿eh?
Pásale güerito. Por favor.
Yo sé que los taqueros te dicen güero aunque no estés güero.
Alright, let's see. How did I do? Oh, wow. Muy bien.
Con cuidado.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ¿Ahora?
12 y 15, sí. Jalas hacia contigo y de aquí pum.
Man!
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Wait, it's not a race.
6,
Cinco,
7, 8, 9, 10. My magic trick.
Es comida casera vallartense.
This is the green sauce chicken tamales. And the famous paisilla. This is the best after eating a lot. We did.
Sí, para el desempance.
El desempance, exacto.
Alright, it is 2 p.m. We just finished our last dish of the day, which is koala. It is our dessert of the day. Now, Julio Cesar told us that this used to be such a common dessert to find in Vallarta, and now you really only find it in the local neighborhoods. They use masa, which is like cornmeal, what they use to make tortillas, and combine it with a poquito de aceite, and it makes almost like this kind of pudding mixture. Me gusta mucho. I like it a lot. But yeah, it's really, really good, really creamy, and this is definitely local Vallartan type of food here. We had so much fun during our cooking class. I learned so much. I have to absorb it all because I learned so much about just this local area, all the different areas where food comes from. We made some really delicious dishes, and I'm stuffed.
And that's a wrap on a day full of cooking. It is currently 3 o'clock. We spent all day here and had the best time. Now, I did this tour a couple of years ago, but today's experience was just as fun, and I love that he customizes the menu every single time. He's such a passionate Vallartan. He just really wants people to know about the city, the local culture, and hear the recipes that his grandparents have passed down to him. It was a great experience. The cost is $60 per person. I'm gonna leave in the description all the info on how you can plan this class. Hope you guys enjoyed it. So long, travel well, and make the world your neighborhood.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. Did you know we have a Patreon? All our members get access to monthly income reports, exclusive podcasts, access to our private Facebook group, and even a copy of my ebook, Puerto Vallarta Like a Local. Business and first class patrons also get a postcard from us each month. Thanks so much for the support. Click the Patreon logo on this screen to join our family.